Hi, I'm Trish McKinney. Welcome to my studio. I was told that I have to have some FaceTime with you guys. So, this is me having FaceTime in my studio with you. And I want to share with you today a really fun process called Party on Your Paper. So it started with this, just messes and messes of fun prints. Any of this look familiar? What do you do with all of this? So what I want to share with you is what I like to do with all of these parties. I got to thinking, the way I got to Party on Your Paper is I was thinking of what these all remind me of. And it reminds me of a big colorful party. When I put them together on my paper, which you're going to see in the rest of the video coming up, it's a party on your paper. But like any good party, your guests all have to get along and they all have to connect and talk to each other. And so as a good hostess of an amazing party, you need to be able to connect everyone. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Today I want to share with you about what this kind of family is called. Analogous. It's a real big word. Here's a color wheel. And analogous means, I like to call it, take away the big words and call it something you can understand. Neighboring, a neighborhood color scheme. So in a neighborhood, you have people that all live right next to each other. And analogous is whenever they're next to each other on the color wheel. Friends, a student and a dear friend, I'm going to Italy with me, named Judy, had this amazing photo of sunflowers, and I have manipulated it in Photoshop, which is another whole class, but you can see, I just thought this was just set up perfectly, the light and the way it's coming through, the colors, everything. Well, I had that in my brain, and I hadn't thought much of it. I'm looking over here at these papers, and I've got them sorted out. If you notice, these are all some similar color families. All right, so you've got these. These are all blues and violets, and a few blue-greens. And then we get to these. And do you see why? This might have been inspirational and where my brain made the connection. I mean, look at these luscious colors. They're beautiful. And then you go down in here and you go into the violet family. All right, which is kind of the background. It's a combo of this color and this color. Ready to have some fun, and I'm going to show you how to have a party on your paper.